people dreamed of something big. They wanted freedom, brave and true, to build a country bright and new. They worked together hand in hand to help begin this special land. With hope and courage lighting the way, America was born that day. 250 years today, hip hip hooray. We celebrate from long ago until right now. We're part of the story somehow. Red, white, blue, wave up high. Stars are shining in the sky. Happy birthday, USA. Let's celebrate today. Little towns began to grow. Families worked and watched them grow. Schools and farms and neighborhoods, building dreams the best they could. People came from near and far, following hope like a guiding star, bringing stories, skills and cheer, helping shape each passing year. 250 years today, hip hip hooray. We celebrate from long ago until right now. We're part of the story somehow. Trains rolled by and bridges grew. Airplanes crossed the sky so blue. People reached the moon above, using courage, hope and love. Doctors, teachers, farmers too, artists, builders, just like you. Every generation played a part, helping with their hands and hearts. Now it's 2026. Let's celebrate this special gift, a birthday 250 years, filled with laughter, hope and cheers. The story's still being written today, with every kind thing that we say. The future shines for all to see, and starts with you and me. 250 years today, hip hip hooray. We celebrate from 1776 to 2026. Wave your flag and proudly sing, hear the joyful bells all ring. Happy birthday, USA. Let's celebrate today. Every year a brand new page, growing wiser with each age. Here's to all who've helped along the way. Happy 250th birthday, USA. USA.